Does anybody know what the pain is? Like when you turn your head, I guess, too fast, and there's like a weird hot pain that goes from the back of your neck to like the bottom of your head, and it kind of stays there for like a minute or two and then it goes away. What is that? Because I used to get it so many times as a child, and I got it this morning and I did not like that.
To explain this, I think we need to appreciate how much the cervical spine actually moves when you turn your head. I think a lot of people don't fully appreciate how much each individual vertebrae can actually twist and turn, while at the same time remaining firmly attached and stable. And that is largely due to these little joints you see here where this capsule is stretching. These are called facet joints. Coincidentally, this is where the pop comes from when you crack your neck. As you can see here, your body has a bit of a cable management problem. And nerves are kind of weird because they have to be held in place, but they also have to have just a little bit of stretch. So when you turn your head very suddenly, it might slightly overstretch these nerves, causing them to activate. And there are a pair of these nerves that are particularly susceptible to this. That would be the greater occipital nerve, which you're seeing here, and the lesser occipital nerve. When they get stretched suddenly, it causes them to be stimulated, and this can come as a sharp pain, or it may feel like a warm, hot spreading sensation up the back of your head. None of this is really dangerous, it can just be unpleasant and be a little disconcerting. Now let's talk about one that actually is dangerous, especially if you're prone to cracking your own neck. What you're seeing here are the vertebral arteries. Pay special attention to that hard little kink that they take around that bone, because whenever you turn your head and you overstretch that to make it pop, you can actually cause that blood vessel to dissect or rip. And yes, this is bad and it can lead to strokes and even death. Vertebral artery dissection really only shows up in chiropractic care of the cervical spine. But if you get too vigorous or forceful with your own neck cracking, you could possibly do it to yourself.